Hi everyone. I hope you already have your paper cones, your newspaper cones, so we can start our project for today. As I asked you, I have like at least, for today we're going to use 45 newspaper cones, in which we're going to use for one of the works, we're going to do one for 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, okay? And for our second one, we're going to need 25. So that means we're going to use 45 in total, okay? And what we're going to use is a pencil, a regular pencil, some glue, and we're ready to begin. What we're going to do over here is, you can see in our newspaper cone that we have a narrow ending and we have a wider one. That's the way the cone is built. So we have the thin part and it goes a little bit thicker all the way over here. So we always begin with the narrow part, with the thinner part, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our pencil, we're gonna squish this up a little bit like this, okay? And you can see over here, once I already circled it around, I'm beginning again with the newspaper. So there's where I'm gonna put glue on it. Don't put too much on it because then you're going to make yourself a mess. Okay, you put the glue there. And we're going to start rounding around. Like this. Okay. Once we're getting to the end of our first cone, we're going to put a little bit of glue here. And we stick the other one there. And we continue. Just like that. There we go. There we go. So I want you guys to finish up all the 20 rolls over here, okay? And I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Once we're done with our 20 newspaper cones, it's gonna look pretty much like this, okay? And where's my end? I already finished this one up. Here's my end. And when I finish up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you over here, okay? When we're finishing, you put a little bit of glue over at the end and you squish it up, okay? So that's how it's gonna look over here, basically, okay? So I want you to do one of these with 20, same procedure with another one with 25, okay? 20 and 25 newspaper cones. Once you have your 25, I'm gonna set aside my 20 circle, sorry, and I'm gonna use the one that has 25 on it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put glue on it, okay? I'm gonna put glue on the 25 first, okay? Once I have all the 25, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start pressing. You can see over here, I'm pressing a little bit. So this over here is gonna look a little bit up. You see, like a little, what do you call this? Well, the upper part of my my basket, okay? So it's like a little top part that I'm gonna be using, just like this, okay? So this is gonna have a slight coming upwards look. Let's do this. There we go. It's gonna look like this, okay? And the one that has only 20, I'm gonna put glue on it. I'm gonna put a lot of glue there, and it's gonna be flat. So my 20 has to look like this, and my 25 has to look like this. Okay? So, what I want you to show me is a picture like this. Okay? For in your platform. And I hope to see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm missing you guys so much, and I really hope to see you very, very soon so we can do this in school. Hugs and kisses for everyone. Until next week.